Hey, it's Ryan with Backroad Reviews, and in this review we're going to look at the Syntuf tree anchor system. Comes in a box like this, and let's take a look at some of the features. The stake system on this is really robust. It's a nice steel that's coated very nicely, and it has the eye loop. So basically what you do is you take one of these eye loops, put the strap around, and the strap does have reflective markings on them, and a nice, what appears to be anodized red latch system. And then you take your tree strap, put it up the tree, and cinch this with the cincher to make it tight. So pretty simple operation. There you have it. Pretty simple, easy to do. Well, this is turning into a debacle. Oh my, dang it, I got a sucker and I don't know what to do with it now. Okay, so we started putting the bags on the fruit trees, and now there's too much wind. Yes, even the dog is like freaked out. We got ghosts, you know.